Hey everybody, Eli here from Plant Nook Trading, and today I just picked this up from Ikea. This is the little mini greenhouse. It is the 7, almost 18 inches one. There's a longer one, but we just got the smaller one because it's gonna go in the office. So let's build this together and see what we can put inside of it. So I'm just gonna start putting this together. Stick around and see the finished product. So I am super excited for this. Let's see, there's actually a lot of tape on here. So, open these up. Ooh, this shouldn't be too bad here. Let's see, that's the name of it. 1, 2, 3, 6 things. Does not look too bad. So, let's get all these pieces out of here first. There you go. Looks like all of them have some wrap on it so it doesn't break or get any smudges here. Just a whole bunch of pieces here. Looks like a top piece maybe. Screws. Another little green piece here. Looks like the base plate for everything. And another big piece here. Toss this aside for now. Okay. Side panels, and we're going to take the plastic off of them. Enough. We're just taking off plastic on all of them. Okay, so I guess we're taking off all the plastic. Grab this piece and this piece. Snap in there. Those pieces snap in. Boom. Got that. Oh, it looks like this top goes on the back here. And then there's 2 holes. Throw these in here somehow. Okay, I think I got it figured out here. So these 2 pieces go in line together like this. And then you throw them in the corner. And you just press in as much as you can until it snaps. And then it holds it together. So for these 4, there we go. And then the last bit, you just throw it on the stand. So, just like that. Here's what it looks like with some plants inside of there. We have the propagations. So it looks really good inside of here. I'll probably get maybe some clear cups or something for next time, but looking really good. Let me know what you guys think. Not too bad to build. I think it was 30 bucks, so nice little investment. Can close it too, so these open up. You can close it if you want to, make a little in cage, keep the humidity in, but super nice, would recommend. Let me know what you guys think and have a wonderful day.